Okay, here's example 2 for integration by parts. This time we're going to be doing the integral of arctan x dx. Now, the first thing that might strike you about this is that this kind of doesn't look like integration by parts, because there aren't really two things being multiplied, it's just one thing. It's arctan. However, you can do something clever with integration by parts, and let me write it in red. Actually, it is a product. Let me write it a little bit differently. Arctan x times 1 is a valid choice to pick one of these to be u and one of these to be dv. I mean, it's multiplication, so shouldn't be anything stopping you. So it looks a little weird, but let's just go ahead and give it a whirl and see how it works out. You'll kind of see what starts to happen. So what do I need to pick as my u and my dv? Well, I have if I picked 1 as u, then that would make du equal to 0, which would make this entire integral on the right-hand side of the formula 0. And that wouldn't help us at all. That kind of gets rid of way too much. Furthermore, if I make dv arctan x, then I have to integrate this to get v. Well, what's the integral of arctan? Well, that's our original integral. We don't know that, so we actually can't do it this way. It has to go the other way. So dv is going to be 1, and arctan will be u. So what does that make du? Remember, the derivative of arctan is 1 over 1 plus x squared. It's a tricky one from Calc 1. dv is 1. What's the integral of 1? It's just x. So now I can plug this into my formula. So what am I going to get? I'm going to get uv x arctan x minus the integral of v du, x times 1 over 1 plus x squared. Alright, so now what am I supposed to do with this integral here? Well, you may notice this actually looks like a u sub, because don't I see a function here in green, 1 plus x squared, and its derivative 2x, but I'm off by a constant, no big deal. So if I let u equal 1 plus x squared here, it's not the same u as the integration by parts u. Now I'm doing u sub. Just make sure you have that straight. Du is going to be 2x dx, just like before. I can throw a 2 in to get 2x dx if I get rid of it on the outside. And now I'm just going to recopy what I have before. Minus 1/2 integral 2x dx turns into du. And then what's left over is 1 over u. Now what's the integral of 1 over u? I have ln minus 1/2 ln u x arctan x, and of course I gotta throw my u back in. U is 1 plus x squared. X arctan x minus 1/2 ln 1 plus x squared plus c, and that's it.